Hello and welcome back to my channel. As of now, I have changed my name to ErikaJustaK, so please be on the lookout for the new name, and thank you so much for watching. This is a continuation of part 1, Valentine's Day inspired nails using press-ons as dual forms. So this is part 2. This is where we left off in part 1. I'm just picking right back up with painting my nails with that number 422. It's a pink from the Beetles collection. I forgot what the actual collection is called, but I will be doing a color swatch video in my next upcoming videos. I'm not sure exactly which one. Hopefully it will be my next video, but if not, it will be in the next few videos. So keep a lookout for that. If you're not subscribed, you'll want to subscribe so that you can catch that, along with making sure you hit the notification bell and then scroll up and hit all, so that way you won't miss out on any of my videos. So yeah, let's just keep watching. I'm painting, and like I told you, I showed you on my right hand, that's the exact look I'm going for. On my left hand, nothing more, nothing less, nothing different. So yeah, I painted the pinky, the middle, and the pointer, and the thumb all with the pink. And then with my ring finger, I actually just painted it with the glitter. And I only did one coat on my ring finger of the glitter. Because doing a double, well, first of all, because that dark pink polygel shows through one coat of glitter, and it all just blends so perfectly together. It looks so very good together. By me double coating it, it actually takes away from that dark pink polygel color, and I just like it better when I can see that dark pink polygel show through that glitter, because the theme of my nails are pink. You know, for Valentine's Day, I'm inspired to do a pink design on my nails, so it was perfect to have that dark pink show through the glitter. So yeah, and I really do love this color pink. It is a very nice solid pink, and it's very opaque. As with most of Beetles colors, they never really disappoint. These are the only gel polishes that I've bought so far, and it's because once I bought Beetles the first time, I didn't have to try a different brand, and I've just been sticking with them ever since because their colors just show up so solid. It's just nice. And as always, I always keep a brush and alcohol next to me along with the paper towel so that I can easily clean up, you know, the excess gel that got on my actual skin, because I don't want to cure that in the light. That's not fun. As an after effect, it's not like regular polish where you keep washing your hands and eventually it'll come off. Gel is not like that. So to avoid having to scrape it off later, just go ahead and clean it up with some alcohol before going in the lamp. So I'm just going in with the top coat. It's also by Beetles, and you actually just need one coat of the top coat. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'll start applying my jewels to the thumb. And that's the look that I'm going for. I'm just going to go on in with the nail art glue. This glue is from Model Ones, along with this picker, dual-ended stick. It has a brush on one end and then the picker on the other. So yeah, I'm just patting that glue onto my nail. Now, my recommendation is what I did actually with my right hand. I did do it, but with my left hand, I was too lazy, and I'm sorry. But yeah, I do recommend that before applying the crystals or the jewels, once you put on that glue, go ahead and put a layer of top coat on top of it. But like, so don't even cure it, just do the glue, put it on there without curing. Go ahead and put a layer of top coat on it. What it's going to do is actually have your crystals adhere even better, and it will even out that glue onto your nail to the point where it's seamless and you can't see those little pats. On my nail, you can slightly see it, like it's very bare. You can barely see it, but you can still see the little pats of, you know, the different specks of glue. And also one of my big crystals popped off. I am going to put it back on, but it did pop off, and it actually popped off the exact same night that I did this. So yeah, I do recommend patting the glue on there or rubbing the glue onto your nail before you even cure it. Go ahead and put a layer of the top coat on top. But before you put your brush to your top coat back inside the bottle of the top coat, make sure to clean it off with alcohol, and then brush it off with a napkin before you put it back into the bottle itself. But yeah, even then, you still don't cure it. You just go on in and apply your crystals, and then once you have your crystals placed the way you like them, then you will put it in a lamp and cure. And yeah, I will say that applying these crystals is a lot harder and more time consuming than it appears. Yes, I have the video sped up, but it takes a while to actually get these placed exactly how you want them. Try to keep them from sliding while you're placing all the others and things of that nature. So it does take a little bit more time than you would think. Someone who's already done this, I'm sure you know, please comment down below, back me up. But yeah, so if you've never done it before, just know, don't get frustrated, just know that it's going to take a little time. And anytime that you're doing your nails, just allow yourself time to be able to get it done and get it right the way you like it. I wouldn't ever do my nails if I was in a time crunch. I only do my nails on a day that I don't have anywhere to go, or at night once I get back home and I know that I'm not going anywhere else the next day. Because even though I might do my nails, sometimes I I will like paint it a certain color. If I don't like the color, I'll file that color off, because after I if it's after I cure it and I still don't like it, I will file it off and put on another color, and that itself takes time too. So if you're a beginner at doing nails and you don't know exactly how you're going to do them, just make sure you have a day, or make sure you're not going anywhere else for the rest of the day before trying to do your nails, so that way you won't get frustrated with it. So yeah, you see here that after the fact, I'm just going in with that top coat around my crystals to try to at least get them to stick, or to, security wise. But that still didn't work, because like I said, one of them did pop off. Now I have gotten my thumb, this same thumb crystals like kind of snagged in sweaters and stuff like that, and none of these other crystals came off. So it might have just been that one spot that didn't have enough glue, but I still recommend doing it the way that I said earlier, because my right thumb, no crystals have fallen off of it at all whatsoever. And yeah, so I cured that in the lamp for a good 60 seconds, and then I'm wiping it away with the UV discharge wipe that came in the Beetles starter kit. This is the end result. I hope you like them as much as I do. But yeah, this is just me sitting at home admiring such a good job that I did. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And in case you don't know, you see that circle right there with my face in it? You can hover over that and click subscribe, and it will not even take you away from this channel. It won't take you away from your screen. You don't have to do anything further. All you have to do is hover over that circle with my face in it right here, and the word subscribe will come up. All you have to do is hit subscribe. Toodles.